A work boot is more than just footwear. It's your first line of defense on the job, offering durability, comfort, and safety for long hours on your feet. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best work boots for men that combine toughness with all-day comfort. Whether you're on a construction site or outdoors, there's a perfect pair here for you. Check the links in the description to learn more. Let's get started. Number 5. Starting off our list is the Safety LOONG work boots. Safety LOONG work boots are designed to provide exceptional durability and protection for men who need reliable footwear for tough jobs. Made with premium leather, these boots are both sturdy and stylish, offering long-lasting wear for demanding work environments. These boots feature a waterproof construction that keeps your feet dry in wet conditions, making them perfect for outdoor and industrial work. The breathable lining enhances comfort by allowing airflow, preventing overheating during long hours on the job. Safety LOONG boots prioritize comfort with a cushioned insole and shock-absorbing sole, reducing foot fatigue for all-day support. Perfect for long hours on your feet. The slip-resistant outsole provides secure footing on all surfaces, enhancing safety. These boots offer a solid mix of protection, comfort, and functionality, ideal for dependable everyday work. Number 4. Next up, we have the GLANOUDUN welding work boots. GLANOUDUN welding work boots are specially designed for professionals who require durable and protective footwear in demanding environments. Featuring fire-resistant suede uppers, these boots protect against sparks and heat, making them ideal for welding and other high-temperature tasks. Safety is enhanced with a European standard steel toe cap that guards against impact and compression injuries. Additionally, a 2.8mm Kevlar midsole offers strong puncture resistance, shielding feet from sharp objects commonly found on work sites. The slip-on design allows for quick and easy wear, providing convenience without sacrificing a secure fit. This feature is perfect for workers who need to switch tasks quickly or take boots on and off frequently. These boots prioritize comfort with a shock-absorbing, slip-resistant rubber outsole, reducing fatigue and providing stability, ideal for long hours in welding environments. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is EverBoots work boots. EverBoots work boots are designed to meet the rigorous demands of construction and industrial work, offering a balance of durability, comfort, and affordability. Crafted with full-grain leather, these boots provide a robust and stylish appearance suitable for various work environments. The boots feature Goodyear welt construction, ensuring long-lasting durability and the ability to re-sole, extending the life of the footwear. This construction method also contributes to the boot's overall strength, making them a reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks. Comfort is a key consideration in the design of these boots. They are equipped with cushioned insoles that offer support during prolonged periods of standing or walking, reducing foot fatigue. With a slip-resistant rubber outsole for solid traction, these boots help prevent slips and falls. They're a reliable, comfortable, and budget-friendly choice for workwear. Number 2, at the runner-up spot, we have the New Balance Calibre Composite Toe Work Boots. New Balance Calibre Composite Toe Work Boots are built for durability and comfort in demanding work environments. They feature a premium nubuck water-resistant leather upper that protects against the elements while maintaining a sleek appearance. The composite toe provides essential protection without the extra weight of steel, enhancing all-day comfort. These boots prioritize comfort with a PU insole and Activa Performance Foam midsole, offering excellent cushioning and support to reduce foot fatigue during long shifts. The design includes heel counter support and a specialized outsole tread combining trail and running lug patterns to maximize stability and traction on various surfaces. Safety is a top focus, as the boots meet industry standards for impact and compression resistance. They also have slip-resistant soles and electrical hazard protection, making them suitable for a variety of hazardous work conditions. Number 1. And finally, our top pick is the Timberland PRO Men's Work Boot. Timberland PRO men's work boots are crafted for durability and comfort, perfect for tough work environments. Made with premium full-grain waterproof leather, these boots keep feet dry and comfortable throughout long workdays. The breathable waterproof membrane allows airflow while blocking moisture. Safety is a key focus, featuring an asymmetrical composite safety toe that meets industry standards for impact and compression resistance. Electrical hazard protection adds an extra layer of safety for those working around live circuits. The slip-resistant outsole provides dependable traction on various surfaces, helping prevent slips and falls. Comfort is enhanced with anti-fatigue technology that absorbs shock and returns energy to reduce foot fatigue. This makes the boots ideal for workers who spend hours standing or walking, ensuring sustained comfort throughout the day. Versatile and rugged, these boots suit a range of industries like construction, manufacturing, and warehousing. Their balanced design of protection, comfort, and durability makes them a trusted choice for demanding jobs. Thanks for watching! If you're ready to step up your work gear, these best work boots for men offer top-notch comfort, durability, and protection. For more details and the latest prices, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more gear reviews and recommendations. Got questions or suggestions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.